TR here. This video is about the assignment Choosing a Home. Another great assignment for people who are starting to think about leaving their home and becoming more independent in their lives. So it's part of Module 5, Resource Choices, Financial Wellness, and please note you have a Lesson 11 that we strongly recommend that you read and watch before you move to the assignment content page, Choosing a Home. Let's take a look. Click on the link, and this is what it'll look like. And it talks about finding a rental property and a link. If you've got others, feel free to use it, other options. Whatever works best for you is good. Here is the video that will be explaining what to do in this assignment. As with always, be sure to carefully read and watch the video, either here on this content page or in the assignment tips announcement before you start working on this assignment. And as always, please do not submit pictures of handwritten documents. So imagine you've graduated from high school and just read this very carefully. And then these are the 7 points that will be provided for you in this template. Now, here's the link to the template, and we happen to have an exemplar template for you here, and make sure that you submit it to the Assignments Choosing a Home folder in the assignments, and once all assignments Module 5 have been marked, Quiz 5 will be available. So let's take a look at this information in the template that we've provided for you with the marking rubric connected to it. So let's expand this so just look at that one. So we start by your monthly income. Your rent should be no more than 30% of your monthly income. Type of housing, click and add information. Location of housing, click and add information. Why, click and add information. Indicate whether you have roommates or not. Explain your decision, click, add the information. Why or why not, click and add the information. Depth, detail, and give personal, make it personal. Why? I don't want to isn't a great answer. I want to because, or I do not want to because. Those are excellent answers. Depth, detail, and personalizations, personal examples. Okay, so that's chart 1. Chart 2 talks about the rental itself, and you're going to discuss it in terms of your choice 1 and 2. You're going to provide a picture, the internet URL, which is the internet address, and the description. Here you can copy and paste the description that they provide you. And then with substantial detail, you'll give three advantages for choice 1. For choice 2, you'll give 3 advantages. Click and add, right? And then disadvantages. You're going to do 3 disadvantages. Click and add, right? Detail and personalization. So what it tells me is you're connected. And if you're connected, it's a big win, both in terms of you understanding, learning the content, and the reward of an excellent mark. Chart 3 talks about you're choosing one of the units and you're explaining your decision. So you've got 4 reasons why you want choice 1 or choice 2. And then the final part of chart 3 is you're thinking about costs and benefits of living independently, advantages, disadvantages, with substantial detail. As always, that detail is the key to success with these assignments because it shows me the connection you're making with it, and it shows me the connection you're making with it, which is a big win, and then a double win because you'll get an excellent mark with it. So the first outcome in a program of studies is this R5, and the template connection is chart 1. So we move across the template. And as always, a level 1 is limited, typically insufficient. Level 2 is basic, minimal effort, but showing that understanding from that basic level. And then as we move to 3 and 4, level 4 is extensive and accurate evidence of thorough research about different factors that impact renting an apartment home, either independent or interdependent. Okay, so that is the first marking rubric. The outcome, the second outcome is here. And as we move across from level 1 to level 4, inadequate or insufficient, limited, to thorough, comprehensive, and a balanced approach to renting an apartment or home. You are renting, you are not buying. The template connection to this outcome is charts 2 and 3. And that's the story. That's how we will mark this assignment. Now, as always, I recommend that you go to the Choosing a Home Assignment Tips. Go to the Assignment Tips announcement always before you submit your assignment. Here will be this video, and the key information that you want to know or learn is here in text form. Some people prefer text. Some people prefer video and audio. Some people need both, and that's okay. It's all good. All right. Now, if you have any questions, issues, or concerns, please let me know through your private discussions. Do your best to be specific with your concern. Telling me I don't get it is like, I don't get it either, right? You need to be specific. So, do take care. Have a good day, and we'll talk again. Bye now.